Hello, everybody. Bryan here, QuantLabs.net. I'm going to be talking about this brand new group I just launched in the last a few days called Quant Elite. So if you've been part of my old sites, the Quant Elite right now is much lower. It's similar, but it's a group where people can come together. The only way to get through it is via one of the courses. And once you get the course, then you'll get access to what I'm about to show you. So this is brand new. There's nothing in there. I may put in some ideas here. As you can see here, I have a file section. Um, it's pretty good. So that's where it's at right now. Who knows where it can go? And let me show you in order how to get the access. So if you come under home, you'll come into the main part here under more and just type in here program list. So these are all the courses available. Now, over the years, I've been doing this 10 years. I've been doing Java, C++, Python, and all that. When I ported all the courses from the old websites, there's a lot. So a lot of them lost videos and stuff. So there's only so many I ported over, and only ones that I thought might be still relevant today in this year. Um, so right now my big focus is on TradingView. If you want to know more about TradingView and you're new to it, just come under here, learn. There's a 45-minute video. I go over some of the highlights of what TradingView can do for you and how fast and easy it is. It's very affordable. My recommendation on anything TradingView, sign up, wait it out till Black Friday, and you can get an amazing deal. I pay, I think it was like $200 US for the whole year, plus another 15 months as a bonus. I don't get free TradingView with I'm a regular person just like you. I only paid like 200 and something dollars for the whole thing. You will not find a deal like that anywhere for trading uh, with automation, I might add. And as simple as it is, I won't say simple, but I made it simple. So let's talk about that. Okay, so these are the courses I've got here. If you want to get a taste of what I do, you don't have to be a programmer to do that. I just want to stress that. I have different pathways for people. I'll explain each one. So right now, if you're all new to this and you're all curious, take this course right here, Introduction to TradingView. That will give you the first three videos, presentation, the style of how I do things. You can do that for free, okay? By all means, but it's for anybody that's interested in TradingView, willing to switch over to TradingView, and why I highlight it as well. I've been on TradingView now for about a year, pretty well a year. I'm beyond happy with them. I still think there's some excellent other platforms out there like MotiveWave with their unique features as well, but from a ease of use, I just like TradingView. So there's that introduction to TradingView, the complete. That'll just give you the non-programmatic features of TradingView and why I like it. So you don't have to be a programmer to take full advantage of this. On top of that, TradingView has its own PineScript language, which their proprietary language. So I go through that. I don't really teach the language itself. You can learn that for free. I show you how to use TradingView and the advantages of it. Okay, so I'll put more details on that in that particular course. So this is where it gets really exciting. Again, as I said, this is all about pathways. To be honest, if you're not a programmer, you're not a coder, and you're not interested in it, this course right here is going to be valuable to you. This course will go through all the different audit ways to auto trade with TradingView, and that's with Python. It's very kludgy, it's very clumsy. It can be done. I show you how to do that. But I do have a module in there that will show you the service I've talked about to be able to use for $40, $50 a month to be able to synchronize your trading view strategies. And there's over 100,000 strategies with source code in PineScript available, open source that you can use. The selection is beyond vast. When I was on MotiveWave and I thought, oh man, they're providing 300 with source code, I was like blown away. You get 100,000 free open source strategies and indicators on TradingView. It's that vast. I need to keep reminding people TradingView is the absolute number one place to go for investing, for trading, for automated trading, also for the social ideas and all that, and just the community that comes with TradingView. It's the absolute number one, and I've done the research that it's still blowing the doors off of both CNBC and Bloomberg combined and the rest of them. Don't believe me? Go to similarweb.com for that. So with the auto trading, we now have the ability to use an absolutely phenomenally strong, powerful platform in trading with its Pine script and the flexibility that you get with the language. But now you can take your strategy, open source your own proprietary, my own that I can bring you in. There'll be some new ones coming in the future. And then you can use this one service to be able to automatically synchronize all your signals generated by a strategy. In this case, you see the close. You don't have to do anything. You just synchronize that strategy, and it will, with this service, automatically trade in the background, and you don't have to do a thing. I kid you not. All you care about is opening up the right charts for the right time, and I've got a service for that too to help you out. And you don't need to be a coder for it. It's absolutely mind blowing. No coding. So again, that's the quick and easy path to automating and trading. Do it in the background, move on with your life. You work, you can't sit in front of a computer. That's all fine and good. And that's all good. So that's a path I would recommend. That's a path that we all want. But there's going to be people that want to, as I said, blow their brains out, make life hard, and try to do it on their own, roll their own solution. So I got a course here that I've kept. Do note that this is, I call it a legacy course. It's from 2019. Um, and this course, I'll put up more details on it in a separate video. But generally, it's how to build a trading bot, crypto with Binance. You could pretty well do it with any other exchange like Kraken or Coinbase. I think I show some modules there how to do that, but it's 100% in Python. It's pretty complicated, but people want to go down that path. That's fine. This one bot that I've spoke about, I've not really mentioned it a lot, and this is just virtual. It's not real money, but virtually, when Bitcoin was about to take off from the 17,000 to about the 60,000 in about 4 or 5 months. Let me just pull up Bitcoin here, just so you know what I'm talking about here. So if you look at the history of Bitcoin, and I go back, I don't know, 5 years, you can see here, right in here, September 2020, where the price was. Let me get rid of these junky stocks here. So you can see here, the price was in around 10,000 and just shot up to about just over 60,000, dipped, and then jumped back up to close to 70,000. We just broke the 70,000 recently, anyways. But it's mind blowing that this bot that was built went from 17,000 to 1.3 million. It hit about, I think it was 800,000 in this run up, and then I still kept running it. It didn't lose money, but it added on another 500,000. So it went from 800 to 1.3 million since with one Bitcoin. But it was, dare I call it, an HFT, high frequency trading? Real, not really, but it was. There was so much volume, so much momentum in that period of time that it was putting within a minute maybe 5, 10 positions on full Bitcoin, full Ethereum, and it built the account up to 1.3 million in a very short period of time. That was built using this course. So if you're into that, be my guest, but be prepared to work at it and know the concepts in these videos. There are lots of options in here, lots of new ideas, all the major free frameworks that were used, libraries, packages, and Python to make this happen. Um, and the concepts are there. But again, it only focuses on the components, doesn't show you the strategies that were built for that. But I just wanted to show you that this course was the one that made that kind of, was enabling that type of performance. Personally, will Bitcoin or any crypto be able to do that? Well, let me tell you something. If you look at two coins last year, Solana, as we know, you can see here it went from $22 to $200. So it performed 10 times performance of what you saw with Bitcoin. Also, Chainlink is another one as well, um, that did similar moves as well. That one went from uh, yeah, that one went from 6 to 22. So that did about 4 times. So yeah, and the other one that did well was Cardano as well. And this one's not strong, 32 cents all the way up to, so it doubled in a very short period of time. So there are some coins that do move. Yes, this is a valid course if you're willing to put the work in. So anyways, those are the courses, and then that will take you, as I said, into into the appropriate group that I'm talking about, the programming group. So who knows what may come out of that group. But depending upon the value of it, I'll price accordingly. So if you join any of these courses, it actually, let me just right now, it only this one will work for now. But this one will take you into that group, and then you get access into the group itself, which I just showed earlier. So I just wanted to highlight that, how to get access to it. Right now, I'm still figuring out what the price should be, but it will be a suite of courses that I just showed you, the TradingView, the Python one. Um, yeah, it's pretty good for the price, but I've had people pay almost 3 times that. And it may go back to that if the value's there. So we'll leave it at that. And if you want to be part of that group, that's the gateway. Again, if you want to learn more and you know nothing, but you want to learn about TradingView, go over to the learn here at the top, QuantLabsnetcom, and sign up and get yourself that video on why TradingView is great. And then you can learn from there as I send out more emails to you based upon your interest. Thanks for watching.